Hi guys, hello. We're here in other farm digging some hydrangea flower. This is how it will work. My husband is on the tractor. He's trying to dig the plants and I will do the rest. Show you how. There you go. What is that, darling? Done. Just only few ones. Back again, guy. After digging all those plants from the hydrangea flower, this is what we do, replant them. See that, guys? That's what we do. We replant all of them all the way down there. And we're building the shed, and then next we're gonna put shed cloth. So on the other side, as you see, that's the other plants of Andromeda white. This is all Andromeda white. See that one? That's the Andromeda white. You see these things? This is chips. That's from the branches or tree that we cut and then put that on a machine and chip them. So I show you guys. See this one? So we're gonna put this one on the top of the plants, meaning over here we're gonna put this mulch or the chip over here. So there you guys. So far this is not yet finished, still have few to go. As you see, this is row by row. That's what we does, row by row, all the way. I don't know how long the length, but it's all the way up there, all the way down here. So anyway, we'll see you again.
And he looks scared, dude. It's scared.
Oh, they run away.
Why are you running?
Oh, running away.
To eat trees.
Hi guys, my previous video I show you when we plant the hydrangea foliage. They are all just the roots, and then we put some mulch, and now probably that was last year, and this is the progress. So on the ground is all the mulch, and then this is how it grows now. So I will walk through, and then the shed house is starting to put some cloth. So I need to walk all the way to the top. But some of them just slowly dying and slowly growing. If you remember some of my video, you will see how I put the bottom of the stems of the hydrangea stems, and this is what it come out. So I walk all the way to the top. So you see the ground is mulch them. Walk, walk, walk. I don't know how long this one shade house. So this will happen. Go all the way to the end. That's on the other side. Okay. So the other plants, it's over here. So this is the other autumn hydrangea flower. They call the autumn one because for the autumn flower, changing the color from the green to yellow, and then become like this. So that went well, but the other side is not. Look at this one and this one, and the leaves are different also. And the flower, see that flower there, other flower. This is all different types of variety of the flower. I love this flower, it lasts really longer. Anyway, so some of the plants along here died, probably from the fertilizer we put, or some organic fertilizer never really grow properly. So I go back again to the other types of the shed. So walking through back. They are all hydrangea plants, hydrangea flower. On the other side is all the types of Andromeda. So there we go. Walking, showing you the different types of leaves and flower. This is a bit thicker, this one. Anyway, so that's the rest of it. That's the rest of it. So I'll go around next time the rest. Okay, the progress of our plants. So here I am on the other shed. So I'm gonna enter to the shed to show you around. So going in here, just try to find other types of plants that needs to be planted, like this one, all in the pots. And I don't think that I can get through, but I will try. And there is a white hydrangea flower along here. Look at that one. And at the bottom are Helleborus foliage. Don't have any flowers, so they need to clear up all these things, as you see. So this is where the area some of the plants needs to be planted, like this English box over here, along here. So I need to get through. Need to cut some of this. It's already dying. Get through. So they need to clean all these things. Sometimes I do cleaning up here, but not all the time. It was a long time ago. Ow. Try to get in to the other side. Oops, I broke something. So you see me here. Oh, this one to clear all of these things. So and to get it from here. Now I don't know how to get out, but I can get out for sure. Go to the other end and get out from other side of these plants. I need to clear all these plants here. So they lifted up some of the shed cloth. You see. This is the Cuba area. There's another area where they plant the little gem also over here, and other type of plants along here. I forgot the name, but I will remember that later. So I'm walking along all the new plants. This is all the new plants along here. It's a little gem. The side is decorated by Burnum, as you see from over there all the way to the other side. I'm on the other area. This is the new plants of Little Gem, okay, Parish. So this is the area. This is a new plant. So I walk all the way down so you will see them. This is a new plant, so they've been cleaning up along here, both sides. My husband took a lot of flax along here because it was planted by flax. Now we're growing a lot of nice little gem because we sell a lot of them. And there's another tree also on the other side. So this is how does it look like, the leaves. So all the ground have moats also. I like this one because it's really shiny. So look at this one, that one. Now I'm on the early variety of Andromeda flower. At the moment they are all buds. So try all these things. This is all the way down both sides again. And you see, I got little gem on the other side, and I got camellia with buds again, start to have flower. Have a look the buds. And then the other side is Andromeda buds. So soon it's gonna start to flower all these plants. So the smell will be amazing. I love the smell. I wish you can smell it, guys, but of course you can't because it's just a video. So anyway, this is the other area. So side is other plants and the other side is other plants, but commonly they are all same sides, same plants on the same area, same row.